ThruView Assist is a blind spot collision prevention system. It consists of a monitor and exterior camera. The ThruView Assist helps transit agencies prevent left-hand turn pedestrian strikes. The in-cab monitor is mounted on the A-pillar that displays a clear, high-resolution view of what is present beyond the pillar. Today we have Don here from our transit sales team. Don, how does ThruView Assist work?
There's a camera mount on the outside of the vehicle, and that views the area blocked by the pillar. The image from the camera is displayed on the monitor on the either A or B pillar in the driver's compartment, so the driver can see exactly what's taking place. And during a left-hand turn, if there's a pedestrian on a collision course with a bus, he can stop to avoid the collision.
And what are the benefits of having ThruView Assist in your fleet?
Well, there are three major benefits to having the system in your fleet. The first is to increase driver visibility and vehicle operation. The second is to reduce agency risk in the event of a collision. And the third is to increase pedestrian safety.
Thank you.